Okay, in this video, I have an avatar in Character Creator 4.6, I believe it is. I think it's the latest version. And the avatar works. I have a little, let's see, okay, let's do a little walk. We can do a little walk here. Walk, email, then let's do the little walk. Okay, here we go. Okay, so everything works good. So what I did was I exported this using file export to iClone like this. I did that to send to iClone, and then once it came into iClone, it was over here. I noticed something funny happening here. So it's in iClone, and then when you play it, some of the clothes fall off, and they just kind of keep dripping down. And it's really weird. I'm not sure what causes that. So I'm just, addressing a problem I'm noticing in iClone. And yeah, so if you can help me understand what's going on there, that'd be great. All right. Thank you very much.